Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a challenge that is put on by J Dolls UK and Penny at Playful Doll Adventure. And this is my little elf um, Makey's doll. Look at her ears. Oh my God, I love this doll. I have so much to say. Let's talk about gifts. There are so many gifts you can give a person that will not cost you a dime. Some will, but a lot won't. First, let me tell you about the kindness of this doll. Darren surprised me. I never thought I'd own one Makey's doll, not alone two Makey's dolls. I'm so thrilled. If you knew how thrilled. But let me get out the story. Uh, Darren asked Jay at J Dolls UK, if she would help him surprise me with a Makey's doll. Jay is in the UK. We cannot find these dolls in the United States. And when you do, they are snatched up so fast. I love her. So J Dolls purchased the doll and mailed it on to me. Darren paid for it. But that is quite a gift. I mean, that took a lot of J Doll's time. I'm going to say it again, Jay, I can't thank you enough. I want to tell you about another way you can gift people. In the doll community, I love it when we help one another out. If you subscribe to channels, like their video, and leave a comment, that really helps one another. Don't you love their hair together? Oh, my, these dolls. Darren couldn't have gotten a more perfect doll. I love pink hair. She's so cute. She's different. She has these ears. Oh, my. When you go to videos, just like it and subscribe, and then go down into the comments, and every comment there, hit the like, hit the like, hit the like. It's a little heart. I wanted to tell you about their little dresses. I took this skipper pattern. Darren, isn't this on Dolls Rescue, or is it on Whimsical Blythe? I think it's on Whimsical Blythe.
Yeah, it's a Blythe pattern.
This is a skipper pattern, Mattel's 1960 skipper, and it fits Blythe really well. It's a very, very simple pattern. You can add a collar, you can add a sleeve, you can also cut those off and make them shorter. Put a cuff on the sleeve, however you want to do it. And what I did for my Makey's doll is I cut out one of those patterns and tried it on my doll. And then I took a sheet of paper, I made markings on the pattern. And then I took a pencil and I laid this over that pattern, the piece of paper or the pattern that I had cut out and tried on. And I just made adjustments just on the other pattern. I made this up. This is cut on the fold. It's a very, very, very simple pattern. We hope to have this up on Dolls Rescue real soon. But I just wanted to tell you, it doesn't take a lot to adjust a pattern for your other dolls when you're sewing for them. You know, sometimes it's just the hem needs to be a little shorter. These dolls are a little thicker through here, and so that's why you see it scooped out further than the other. And wait till you see what Darren made these girls. Besides their little shoes, he made them customized. I think this one needs to go down. I don't know if I can do it right here. Oops. Speaking of shoes, she should have socks on with this pair. My dolls just don't wear socks or underoos or any of that. I can't push this down because it's a good tight fit. But look how cute these are. They have their names on them. They're pink like their hair. Love it. Thank you, Jay and Penny. Go buy their channels and subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Please do the same here and to every channel you visit today. It's such a simple thing, and it's such a nice gift for one another. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please join us tonight live at 6 p.m. Central, where I'm going to show a couple of things. You know, that shoe came off again. I guess she's going to need socks. I'm going to show tonight what Darren dropped me off at the American Girl doll store yesterday, and I met up with a dolly friend. Can't wait to tell you who, what, and where, and I'm going to show you a glimpse of what I bought. 6 o'clock Central.